Yo, what's up, y'all, man? Look, it's AyeeMikeques15 back here with another Thot Boy Haircut tutorial. Look, it's been a couple years, honestly. Honestly, y'all can see it's been a couple years. Honestly. And look, that's not even the bad part. I cut the hair, I cut the dreads. I cut at least 2-3 inches off whenever it got this length. Like, literally, it was this length. Where's that right now? I cut these motherfuckers, like, right. I actually got a video I'm gonna show y'all. But I actually cut them. And bro, I cut a lot, like. No, okay, so at first, I just snipped them like this, like. I just cut off little pieces, like at least this much. I was like, yeah, that's not low enough. So I cut like to the eyebrow, bro, like the whole head, like. You feel me? So just like imagine that. Play that little bitch like Atari. I might skirt up in a Rari. That little bitch, she call me father. I told her they ain't do nothing. Anyway, man, look, we gonna actually show you. But yeah, you feel me? Bag of dreads for sale. Anybody want some dreads for sale? You could make like 60 millions of me if you clone all these pieces. Hold on, here's one I think I cut the fullest, but like, look at this, bro. Like, I was cutting full locks out of my head, bro. They were done, like, and then I basically regrew them again. I'm growing some of these too, cause like I had a taper fade. Like the taper was taped, and I was like, yeah, you know, it's about time. Nigga, go that taper back. So I just started growing my hair right there and just letting it grow. Bro, I'm just waving this dread around like this, you feel me, like the thing to do. This is on my head, literally though, man. It's crazy. But basically, this is the dread update, just showing you how far I've been going. This is, I think, 4 years on my dreads. Like, 4 years is a minute. And like, you seen that. You see, hold on. Going back to it, look how long my hair would have been. So we cut about this much off. All this grew back. Stop playing with me, bro. Inches, hang time. I would have been out there. But I do not like long dreads. I just don't think, you feel me, long dreadlocks is for me. So like, I'm honestly gonna cut these motherfuckers again. I know I really just want to see the process of it and everything, so. You feel me? You feel me, son? So what I've been using recently for my shit, yo, like, honestly, I still just wake up and I don't really do nothing to my hair. Cause like, what you need to do something to dreads for, like, honestly, just wash it here and there, you feel me, most of the time. But other than that, you're not really doing shit. Unless you're getting hairstyles and shit, like twisting them up, doing what you want to do with it. I do have a couple of tips though, because my hair has just been dramatically growing fast as hell, and I literally cut, like, from the last time y'all seen that was like last year around this time. We were like 2 more inches in a year. I feel like this is a lot of hair to play with. It's a lot of hair to work with. Y'all, wish I had a measuring tape. I could tell you how long these dreads is. I went to go look for a ruler or some measuring tape, and apparently there ain't none in this house. I don't know how it ain't, but just how the world works. We don't need it. What I can mainly say for you though to grow your shit is just like, just honestly, yeah, keep washing it. Always keep it fresh, keep it healthy. You don't want no stale, nasty dreads, bro. You don't want them to stink either, cause like, it's matted up hair really. So it's going, you feel me, it could build up some odor. If you don't want your dreads to build up no odor, you want to go outside smell like 10 cans of bounce that ass, 10 bottles of grape gelatin, smell like 6 orgies and cigarette bud. You feel me? You don't want to go outside smelling bad, bruh. So keep your hair fresh. Easiest thing to do. And that's how you grow it. You keep it fresh. I don't know what y'all want from me. No, I'm just playing now. Look, yeah, honestly, just, you feel me, fuck with it, touch it, twist it up however you want to. My hair is still free form. Like, I never went to no shop. I got the sponge how I started, you feel me? From the videos way back when. I had the sponge, and that sponge just helped me out. It gave me the coils, and the coils from there, I just went on and just finger twisted that shit like so, you feel me? Da. You gotta keep it right though. I mean, you could go left, but that's a little weird. Like, who? I can't twist nothing left. Like, I mean, that's like, left is like you unscrewing something, you feel me? Like, right is always tight. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Speaking of loosey, this one shorty, bro. But alright, that's besides the point. That's in the next video. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. This is just a little update, just showing you how far my shit got. Yo, honestly, just can't tell y'all. Honestly, don't know the length of it. How long is your? Okay, I can't say that. It's pretty long though. Yo, it's pretty long. It's finna get cut hella soon because we in Vegas and it's hot as hell in here. Out there, anywhere you go, it's hot. What I look like walking around the heat in the desert, hot. I'm good. Go ahead and read the description below. Hope y'all go fuck with that. Go follow me on my social media. Go follow my niggas down below as well. Everything you need to know is in the description. Literally, like, everything you need to know is in the description down below. Y'all, it's been real, it's been chill. I'm gonna go ahead and kill me some weed. On my top, so I'm clutching on my steel. I gotta touch a mill back down the way the pack is sealed. She always play with your feelings, she only can play on my dick in the hallway. Every time you lay with shawty, she kiss on your mouth and the ass on my balls taste. You say, hold up, little bitch, she gon' tell you your stick and rob you on broad day. You looking upset, bitch, you screaming who next, I ain't worried.